Sunset Station here in Henderson. This is the 88 room. Got your map. And here's the, this is a 2-queen bed. This is pretty nice. Let's see what the views look like. Oh, wow. Oh, you can barely see the strip. That's good to know. Windows are dirty. Yeah, it's focused on the dirty windows. Yeah, it's there. Yeah. Oh, there's Sears. Oh, there's the parking garage over there. And the bowling alley is just right there. That's a long walk though, too. And here's the pool. Yeah, so here's the bed. The room. This looks comfy. See how clean it is though. I'm claiming this one. We can't tell what the mattress condition looked like. I bet it's pretty good since it's a hotel in a casino, so they should know better what their expectation standards are. AC unit. Got your TV. Oh yes, this is the handicap room. You got the regular height people and the handicap on the lower one. Oh. Here's the restroom. Like I said, this is a handicap one because you got the. You can put your wheelchair roll in here. Also has the shower chair too. Arch shower curtain. This looks lower. Show you what I mean. This looks so low. Here I am. Yeah. It's got a toilet. I'll use the other switch. Ah, here we go. This is much better. Yeah. Okay. That'll be it. Oh yeah, I forgot to point this out of this closet. Look at how low the hanger is. Alright, you can see the view of the strip down this way. Despite the window's dirty. Go back this way. Here's the view of the sign for Sunset Station. Once it wants to load, focus, There we go. More strip view from this way. Barely. That's as far as I can get. Okay, I'm in the bathroom though, and I forgot to do something though. But it's more importantly how clean this place is. I brought this light. It's actually a backlight. Let's see how clean they are. Yeah. So far it looks pretty clean. That's a good sign. I would say the bathroom's cleanliness is mostly clean. And that's it. Yeah, it looks like they redid this. Modded this thing. One indicators. You used to have Adam's buttons, but you can get a little view. Yeah. Wow. This is pretty cool. Let's take a peek. Oh, that's nothing. Wow. Down on the squeaky escalators. That's pretty cool. Where's the buttons on? How is that thing?